According to latest reports, Israel's Stealthy Systems has offered its next generation of the ELM-2084 Multi-Mission radar system to India. The system will provide an active, passive and combined air situational picture, as it comes with additional sensors with higher accuracy, faster updating rates, and upgraded identification of aerial platforms such as drones and tactical aerial systems, along with cruise and ballistic systems. It is also capable of detecting platforms with low radar cross-section, incorporating a certain level of stealth technology. DRDO has also developed a local variant of the radar system, which is capable of detecting targets at ranges greater than 300 kilometers, and it is an important component to achieve net-centric operations, and has been deployed at the air bases near the Pakistan border. According to latest reports, India has finalized the plan to purchase 30 Predator B drones from the US, with 10 drones each for the 3 services, which will be a huge capability upgrade for the Indian Armed Forces. The procurement is now being vetted before it is sent to the Defence Acquisition Council for approval, and the actual contract is expected to be signed within a year. The platform will be the same for the 3 services, while the payloads can be tweaked to suit individual service requirements, and will be immune to jamming and spoofing from adversaries. India is also in the final stage to acquire 24 MH-60 Romeo helicopters for $2.6 billion, and the NASAMS 2 for almost $1 billion from the US. According to latest reports, a Chinese-owned company has been manufacturing key circuit boards for the 5th generation F-35 fighter jets flown by the UK and US. A company named Exception PCB from UK produces the parts, and a Chinese firm bought the company in 2013. The circuit boards control a number of core capabilities of the F-35, including its engines, fuel and navigation systems. Experts have expressed concern over a Chinese-owned company operating at the center of such a secretive program, and have attributed this to a possible Chinese espionage, as China has often been accused of stealing information on the secretive and highly sensitive program. The Indian Air Force's AN-32 transport aircraft might be taken off from duties that involve flying over mountainous regions and oceans, following the recent crash in northeast India. The effort will be to assign most of the tasks to the upcoming C-295 medium transport aircraft, which has a higher safety margin. The $2.5 billion project is likely to come up before the Defence Acquisition Council for final clearance, and Airbus Defence and Tata Advanced Systems Limited will jointly execute the project to build 56 aircraft. India did not endorse China's Belt and Road Initiative in the joint declaration issued after the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit 2019, and India has protested about the Belt and Road Initiative program because a key component of the project passes through Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Chinese regulations for the projects favor only the Chinese firms and don't provide a level playing field even for Indian firms with global expertise.